All it takes is one bright golden moment, in one bright golden place to reawaken your wanderlust. Explore exquisite locations, immersed in nature, and experience a new sense of wonder. Feel the joy of savouring the present, a gift for your future self. We honour history, culture, and the natural world. And nature is a creative spark for our immersive experiences, to fire your imagination and delight your senses. Discover Vestige, where the past is cherished, working in harmony with the present. We offer you a chance to create meaning, to create memories, and make a commitment to living in the moment of your one wild and precious life. In our grand manor houses, wildlife-rich estates, and remarkable ancient castles, we invite you to discover Vestige.